Class Object Layout Templates Python Program Examples. Created by Joseph C. Richardson, GitHub.com. Use and refer to these class object layout templates to make it easier to create classes in Python. Each class object template shows different ways on how to print class object values on the screen at execution runtime. Click the Run menu and select Run Module to execute and run each class object template Python program example as shown. Your Python idle might prompt you to save your file first before it can execute your Python program. Give the Python file any name you like, and then click the Save button on the Save As dialog box window to execute your brand new Python program file. Note, any changes you make to your Python program file will always prompt you to save the file before it can execute and run. Just click OK to save and update your Python program file. Next, have lots of fun learning class acts with Python. Please like and subscribe if you like this video and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine on 2x.